Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're checking out the Lenovo LOQ15, Lenovo's budget gaming laptop made to deliver solid performance without breaking the bank. With RTX 40 series GPUs, Ryzen or Intel 13th gen CPUs, and a QHD display, it sounds promising. But how does it really perform in 2025? Let's break it down. Quick reminder, all the gear featured in this video is linked down in the description, so be sure to scroll down if you want to check it out. The LOQ15 uses mostly plastic, which keeps the price low and the structure lightweight, though it's still a bit chunky and heavy. Overall, reviews say the build feels solid and well put together. No weird flexing and sturdy hinges. Some Reddit users describe the chassis as decent for its class, more Legion-like than Victus or no-fluff, especially when comparing materials and feel. You get a crisp QHD 1440p IPS screen running at 165 Hz, with good color coverage and variable refresh support, but brightness hovers around 350 nits and can show backlight bleed. The keyboard features a number pad and white backlight. Typing feels soft but effective for gaming and work alike. The trackpad is smooth and responsive, with options like Intel Core i7-13620H or Ryzen 7840HS paired with RTX 4050 or 4060. The LOQ delivers strong 1080p gaming performance. Notebook check notes both CPU variants perform well, though the Intel model runs hotter while the Ryzen version stays cooler and offers better battery life. Gaming tests show it handles high to max graphics smoothly in most array titles. Fan noise is reasonable in quiet mode, though heat management could still improve. Battery life isn't great. It comes with a modest 60 watt-hour battery and lasts around 3.5 hours under mixed use tests. That's better than some rivals like the Acer Katana 15, but still not ideal for extended unplugged sessions. Pros: great gaming performance at 1080p with RTX 4050/4060 and Intel 13th gen or Ryzen 7000 series. Solid build, better than HP Victus or Asus TUF at the same price point. Crisp QHD 165 Hz display with good color and VRR support. Good value, often discounted to under $900 or 80,000 rupees in sales. Cons: just average battery, only about 3 to 4 hours unplugged. Display brightness is modest and may show backlight bleed. Cooling could be better. Intel models run warm, fans kick in noticeably. Some reports of reliability issues, especially in hot climates. If you're hunting for a budget gaming laptop in 2025 with real power and a great display, the Lenovo LOQ15 is a strong contender. It handles modern games well, looks clean, and is priced right, especially during sales. That said, if you're planning heavy content work, long unplugged use, or live in a hot climate, you may want to save up for a Lenovo Legion 5i or 7i or a robust alternative with better cooling and build. But for most gamers seeking honest value, you can't go wrong with the LOQ. If this review helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. New here? Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. You deserve top-tier advice. Among your top 5 gaming laptop picks this year, the LOQ15 definitely deserves a spot. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.